Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween look, I am doing Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. Not gonna lie, I had a little bit of trouble with the face paint. Me and face paint do not get along. I actually bought a little Sally kit from Spirit Halloween that had a blue face paint and then different blue cream paints. So that's what I'm using here, and I started off, I was just gonna contour around the edges and my cheeks, and I just decided to go ahead and put the blue all over. Now I'm taking the white paint and just placing it in the center of my face to kind of highlight and add some more dimension. Still doing the same thing. It is a whole lot of blending. I am just alternating between the two different blue greens and white and just making sure all of my face is covered. Now that I have all of my face covered, I'm going back in where I first did the contour just to make it a little darker. Now I'm taking that face paint that I had so much trouble with in the beginning and placing it all over my neck and a little on my chest. Now I'm just going to set everything with a translucent powder because I want to add a little bit more dimension with some shadows. Now that I have set everything with a powder, I'm going in with an eyeshadow almost the same color as the face paint, mixing it in with a little bit of gray eyeshadow as well, just to deepen the contour areas. Using a black eyeshadow, I'm going to contour my nose a little bit to make it look like a skinny Tim Burton nose. I did add some black eyeshadow to my neck and chest just to add a little bit more dimension there, and now I'm going in with that same blue-green color that I used for my contouring and taking it all the way across my lower lash line, and I'm also going to use this in my crease on the top as well. Even though these are Halloween looks, I still want my eyeshadow to be blended, so here I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush just to buff out the edges, and then I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and line my lower waterline. Next, I'm adding just a little bit of the gray eyeshadow to my lower lash line. For my eyebrows, I'm taking that same black shadow and just dragging my nose contour up into my brows. Next, I'm going to draw the stitching, and I'm just using the crayon that came with the Sally kit, but you could use any black eyeliner. Since Sally has long wispy eyelashes, I thought that I would add on some false lashes. You do not have to do this, you can just throw on some mascara and call it a day, but I wanted it to be a little bit more glam and fun, so I'm adding some from Tarte. My camera had stopped recording, so I went ahead and added the lashes to my other eye, and now I'm just adding some mascara to my lower lashes. I'm using Maneater by Tarte because it's really black, but you can just use any mascara that you want. For lips, I am using a red MAC lipstick. You can use any red that you want. I actually ended up changing it to a Tarte one that I liked better. I used one of the lip paints in the shade Cheerleader, but that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one.